So I couldn't have asked for a better backdrop for installing this solar tonight. I'm just bringing up these 5 panels, and these are the ones that were staged in the garage in the last video. These ones all have the wire management done on the bottom, and those Tigo rapid shutdown devices, which handle 2 panels. So because I'm doing strings of 10, I only have to bring 5 of these up at a time, because there'll be a panel without the Tigo, which is already up there, and then a Tigo, non, so on and so forth. And ironically, because I love foam, I saved all the foam from the inverters, and it's the perfect spacer to have these footers, or the mounting system of the panels, on the panel while I stack them. And then I built that lift right there. So we're gonna go up onto the roof and basically show you what it's gonna be like from up there, and might as well get a nice little sunset view from on top of this magical little barn right here. Look at that. Goats in the background, chickens in the background, and that beautiful sunset while I install some solar. I mean, you really can't beat that. Look at that. Amazing. Little goats out there. These ones I just set up here just to kind of space it out, see exactly where everything was going to go. I have the dimensional drawings, but just wanted to get it that way. And this is how close they get up to the edge. Again, they're a little bit lower than the edge, but based on the ability to lift and slide it up on the edge, I'll put something on there to guard the edge with a piece of fabric. And I'll one by one pull all of these off and then stage them up on this ridge here. And then I can start doing my wire management of the ones that are non-rapid shutdown unit mounted, so that I can have all my wires nice and tight and managed. But yeah, that is the update for solar installation, 1 panel at a time.